have landed at Puerto Princesa International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Vic Mariano, First Officer Paolo Liceralde, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew upon the plane. Thank you. Sa mga mahal naming panauwi, kalalapag lang po natin sa Puerto Princesa International Airport. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang aeroplano hindi pa ganap na nakahinto at kayo nabigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuha ng anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog mula sa overhead compartment. At bago po kayo bumaba, tiyaking nasa inyo ng lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Isang karangalan kayo mapagsilbihan at naasahan namin na muli tayo magkikita sa inyong susunod na paglalakbay. Sa ngalan ng AirAsia, ni Kapitan Vic Mariano, Unang Opisyal Paolo Liceralde at lahat ng aming kasama. Kami po ay malagod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. At sa mga malamig panauhin na may dalang sanggol at nabigyan ng infant life vest, mangyaring ibalik ang mga ito sa cabin crew bago po kayo bumaba. Maraming salamat po.